What is going on, everybody? How are y'all doing today? So, we got a few new things coming to the shop. So, first thing we're going to do to upgrade the storage and just general flow of the shop, just to make sure everything is a little more just easy to get to, so I'm not stacking tools on top of everything. I've got stuff that I use on a daily basis out there where I need it to be. I hate throwing stuff in drawers. I hate throwing it under counters and cabinets. I just want it where I need it so it's easy to get to. And I want something that looks cool whenever I'm talking to y'all. So this is eventually going to end up being my backdrop to all my future videos. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to take all this down right here. At least everything from the electrical panel over. We're going to put up a cool rack system. So I actually reached out to Wall Control. So they sent me the Lazy Woodworkers kit. It's awesome. I added a little extra to it because I wanted a little extra storage. So we're going to start with that and then go from there. So eventually we're going to have, I'm hoping, a whole wall of nothing but Wall Control. Just got to see how it works with the flow in my shop and what I like. So if y'all will hang out and watch with me, I will show you what I'm doing. So let's see what happens.
Is stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes.
All right, everything's down. We're not going to paint the walls or anything. We're going to leave it the way it is because it's all going to get covered. Let me show you what we're going to do. So plan is, I got two of these, two of the smaller ones. We're going to get these up on the wall, and then we're going to go over the tool organization. It's probably going to take me a couple days to get all that figured out, but we'll get it up there, and we'll go from there. Cool.
You can tell me the deck is stacked. You can whisper behind my back. Show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. And my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. My sights on where I'm going at, and turn it back around. You can't stop me. No, you can't stop me.
All right, y'all be the judge. Tell me what you think. Me personally, I absolutely love it. I love to be love that I'm partnering with Wall Control. Love their stuff. I've wanted this for a long time. Just never really got around to doing it. It's awesome. It looks great. It goes up super, super easy. And I've had pegboard walls. My first shop, 13 years ago, when I was first starting out, just playing around, I had a pegboard wall, and I thought it was awesome. Little did I know what this could do for me. But yeah, I love that I've got all my clamp storage. To give you an idea, each one of these racks, these bars hold 6 clamps. So I've got 18 of the Harbor Freight clamps up there. I'll probably end up replacing the Besties that are here with more Harbor Freights, just because me personally, I like the Harbor Freight better. They just work. Had less failures with them, and that. I love that I've got all my woodpecker stuff here, which that collection is going to slowly grow. I honestly, the thing that I love most out of all of it is I have a spot to put my grandfather's. My late grandfather's old number 7. Some of the stories behind it, I love it. It's really just going to stay there. I use it occasionally, but not a lot. I use the smaller planes more than anything. I actually thought about building the case to go up there just because I don't want anything to happen to it. But it does get used. But other than that, yeah, I've got, paper towel storage here. I'm going to get a set of screwdrivers specifically for this rack that go here, just so I'm not pulling them out of the toolbox, because I kind of want to keep some stuff separate. I got a little drink station, a little hand sanitizer station here, whatever you need, glue station there. This is primarily some of the glue that I use majority of the time. And then I'm slowly going to fill in some of the other stuff. I'm definitely going to stick with the black and white theme, just because I love the way it looks, love the contrast, and black and white works with my logo. Going to add some more down the line, and we'll update as we go. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, shoot me a message, whatever you want to do. I'll see you in the next video. Love y'all.
Show me how the odds are up against me all day long.